Action!
Hello guys! Today we are going to make onion rings.
The ingredients are onion, 5 spoons of breadcrumbs, and then we need 3 spoons of cornstarch and a teaspoon of salt.
And then we need a half teaspoon of powdered broth and a teaspoon of pepper powder.
A teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of honey,
10 spoons of cold water. Let's show you how to make it. First, green breadcrumbs. Second, chop the onion.
And then mix the cornstarch, salt, pepper powder, broth powder, and then garlic powder.
add the honey, water. Dip the onion into the wet mixture. And then add into the breadcrumbs.
Last but not least, fry the onion rings until golden brown.
The onion rings is ready to be served.
It's more delicious if you add sauce and mayonnaise in the onion rings.
Thank
you. Tangannya manja. How is the taste, Miss Sari?
Okay, let me try first. It's delicious. Yummy. You did it great.
Alright.
Okay guys, we are trying the onion rings.
What do you think about the taste, everyone?
It's very nice.
Delicious. Can I try it?
Sure.
So crunchy. You did it well, guys. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yay.
Let's show how you
Let's show you how to live.